Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adeola Mosaku, and in today's video I'm so excited. We are shooting a different style video for you today. I have gotten a lot of comments from you guys. I know this is my channel but it's your show, so I've gotten a lot of comments saying that you would like to see me do a fashion video. You like my style, some of you would like to see and how I shop and how I put my pieces together. So I'm listening to you guys. I'm going to go up my comfort zone. I know organizing is my love, fashion is my first love. So grab a cup of tea or coffee or hot chocolate and let's get into it. Now, with that said, I am a size 6, so I decided to show you a Ted Baker haul for my first fashion video because it can be a struggle sometimes to find a size 6 in the things that I like to buy. So my favorite shop, or one of my favorite shops, is Ted Baker, Kermillion, River Island, New Look, sometimes Topshop, ASOS. Those are my kind of to go-to shops. Obviously, if you want something a bit more premium, you'll go to Kermillion and Ted Baker, but if you want your everyday really good value for money, I think River Island is also a good one. Okay, this is my first outfit from Ted Baker. It's an oversized jumper. I quite like the way it fits. If you're more of the petite size like me, you do not want to have too oversized and it becomes a bit too overwhelming for you. So having it oversized but still has a kind of structure, I quite like that. You can tuck it in if you wanted to. I'm not really a big fan of tucking in clothes, but it seems to be a very big trend at the moment, so like that. And this is also Ted Baker jeans, but I've got a really small waist, so this is a little bit big for me on the waist. Fits really well in terms of a skinny jeans. I've had this for like 2-3 years now and it's washed really well. So I really like a Ted Baker jeans. They do tend to last for a long time. The leg is not too skinny, so it's easy to wear and it's easy to take off as well. Another thing worth pointing out is that they're quite comfortable. The material is very good quality, and with this jumper I like to just put the hands up a little bit to make it a little bit more fashionable, and you can kind of see your jewelry. I think this is from Aldo. I do like this because it's elastic, so which is quite good if you've got slim hands like me. Elastic, anything that's got that kind of elastic is quite good, and this is also from Aldo as well. This is Michael Kors. Just have a watch, a smartwatch, and then you've got these trainers. This is from Caravella, which I quite like a lot. It's got a bit of bling going on in there, just to kind of jazz up the outfit a little bit. So this is my first look. Let me know if you like this look, and if you've got anything similar to this, if you've got a nice bright orange jumper, just throw a dark pair of blue jeans like this with it, and you can have either white pure trainers or trainers that's got a bit of color in it like this, and you're good to go. So my next dress is this Ted Baker white and blue dress. I really like this because it's like a two outfit in one. You've got the top and it looks like you're wearing a skirt, but it's not a skirt. I do like the pleatings on there. It doesn't look like a typical Ted Baker outfit actually. So I'm going to put this on and you can see what it looks like on me. Okay, this dress here, I got it in a size 0 because I'm a size 6, so I always wear a 0 in Ted Baker. So apart from that, the dress is very nice. I like the way that it flows as well. It's kind of free, ready to play, ready to mingle kind of dress. And I like the feel of it. It's actually 100% polyester. The feel on the dress on the top, it's really kind of feels silky, but it's polyester, but it's 100%, and it feels really good. Also, another thing I would say, you have to kind of wear like a t-shirt bra underneath it, just because it's not very forgiving in terms of underwear. If you're wearing anything that's got patterns or that is not smooth, it would probably show because it's polyester. So you want to wear a t-shirt bra You might want to wear a shapewear if you wanted to have this a bit more snitched in, but for me it's kind of just okay. Next thing is the shoes. I'm wearing the carabiner shoes in here. I've had them for quite a long time. I think I must have had them for like 5 years, but it's just the same tone of blue at the pleats, which really works really well. Another thing is my jewelry. I got this jewelry from, I think it's called Louisa, or I can't remember exactly, but I've had this for quite a long time. So I think I got this during the summer, and a nice piece of ring as well. It just so happens that my nails are blue as well. And apart from that, I think my earrings are lovely earrings from Swarovski. My friend gave this to me for my birthday. They are so cute. I really like them. So the earrings are from Swarovski, and my wig is also blue. So it's kind of like a really blue outfit, but it's not blue in your face. It is quite a little bit more toned down with the whites, and the patterns really work well. So this next dress is more of a summer vibe. I do like the fact that it's very structured, and it's snatched over the waist again, and then you get this uneven kind of level at the sides, which is quite cool. I really do like the cleanness to this. Just gives you like a really nice, cute, clean look. With this, because it's sleeveless, you have to be careful with the kind of underwear you wear here, because the material is quite light. I like the fact that it's actually lined underneath, so you won't be seeing any of your underwear. You just have to make sure that you're not wearing a t-shirt bra. Will be better for this, because you can easily see the texture of your underwear on this one. So you see when I wear it and how it looks like in a bit. This sleeveless dress is very summery, very comfortable, and looks like, you know, you're ready to go for a party. It looks really comfortable around the waist, which is kind of very tightly snitched. I'm wearing a size 0, a Ted Baker. I always wear a size 0 most of the time, and I'm not wearing any shapewear underneath this one as well. The feel is really good. You can actually feel the pattern on the dress as you wear it. You can actually feel how it feels like. And then the shoes, I got the shoes from TK Maxx. You walk into TK Maxx sometimes and they do like to surprise you. I picked up that. I thought it would go with one of my outfits. Happens to go with this dress. And my ring is from Amazon. If they still sell it on Amazon, I would have the links for you below at the description. And my bracelet is from Louisa. And also, I think my watch is from Olivia Button. So they work really well for this outfit. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to actually put on my jacket, because the next product is a jacket. So I'm going to put on the jacket so you can see what it looks like on this dress. My next item is this jacket. If you've seen this jacket around, you kind of know that this is a Ted Baker like signature, but I really like this. It's like a blush pink, a deep blush pink jacket. I get to wear this when I'm going out. You can wear this when you're going out in the evening. You can wear it during the day depending on what you're wearing inside of it, but I really like the inside, that the quality is really good on this one, and it fits really well on like a wraparound jacket. I like the fact that it's a bit fitted, and it's got a really nice belt just like that. So it's one of my favorite jackets actually. It's a really nice color and it fits really well. So this is the jacket and what it looks like. I like the fact that it's got like a seamless pocket to it. Every jacket should really have a pocket where you're going to put your phones. Anyway, it's got a nice pocket to it, and I do like the floral inside. I like the fact that it's got a hidden button inside, and that kind of makes it look like a double-breasted jacket without pronouncing itself. If you're getting too cold, you can just cover up your neck. It buttons, and I do really like the belt as well. I like the fact that it's got a magnet for the button to stay. So, you know, sometimes when it's really cold, imagine if you do that, it might actually go off, but because it's got a magnet here, it actually does stay, which I really like. I like the style of this jacket. I really like the color, and I like the fitting. And at the back, I like the splits as well. At the back, it gives you room for movement very easily. Now this next dress is a maxi dress. The maxi dress have been in vogue for a while. I don't think they're going anywhere. They're just really nice and comfortable to wear in the summer as well. You can wear them all year round as well, depends if you've got a long sleeve or a short sleeve. I really like this for hands over here. I really like that it's lined again. They put some lining in there so you don't have to see your underwear at all. It is quite fitted and snitched by the waist again, but the hips are a bit more loose. At the back it's got some really interesting buckles here you can have, and then it's got a zip. It's very easy to get into and very easy to get out of as well. So I do like this. It looks a lot more better in person because it's got some really silver shimmery things around there. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera now. I'll zoom in a lot more so you can see the effect. It's one of those dresses that it looks better in person than you having a look at it online. So this maxi flory dress is quite elegant, quite beautiful. It's a little bit understated, but I really like the way that it's got a bow at the back of it. This is a dress that you want to wear your hair up so you can see that details at the back. I'm wearing the same jewelry from the previous dress that I was wearing earlier, but the dress just fits really, really well. This is a dress you wear to like a house party or a barbecue or to church. I wear this to church. It's a really, really nice, comfortable, summery dress that you would get a lot of wear out of. Just to mention, the shoes are from Nasty Girl. They're kind of like a nude pair of shoes. Next dress is very warm. It's woolly, so the material is very thick and very, very comfortable. I do like the fact that the waist is a bit snitched, so it gives you that kind of shape. It gives you a shape form from there. And I do like the neck because it keeps you warm. It's long sleeve. This is a very simple winter dress, but it looks better when it's on than as you can see it at the moment. So you'll have a look when it's on me in a minute. I like the way it feels. It's warm, it's wool. It's a really nice winter kind of dress, but if you wanted to kind of take it up a notch a little bit, you can put on a hat and a lovely nice comfortable woolly jacket on top of that, and it just kind of takes it to another level. The shoes I'm wearing here are from River Highland. The jacket is also from River Highland. The hat is from Miss Selfridges. It's a dress where you can dress up or you can dress down. You can put on a pair of trainers and you'll be fine with it, or you can put in a pair of boots and you'll be fine with it. It's just a really nice, comfortable winter dress. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Now, if you've liked any of the outfits I showed you today, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to actually hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button. It means when I bring out a new video like this, let's assume you like videos like this, then you will get notifications for it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.